Hello, good day. My name is Shuaibu. I'm one of the graduates of the recently concluded 3-month Python for Blockchain Data Analytics organized by Analytic Sages. This is my final project I built, which is tied to blockchain risk and transparency dashboard. It visualizes and analyzes real-time blockchain data in a meaningful, user-friendly for transparency or clarity and avoidance of risk. It assists researchers, investors, developers, traders, or anyone interested in tracking and analyzing blockchain network performance, and it also gives insight into where blockchain transaction flows, stable coin activities, and risk metrics. I built both the front end and the back end from scratch, and it really has been a wonderful journey of turning data into clarity. The front end, or let me say the back end, was built with Python. It pulls data using the CoinGecko and the Dune query APIs. While the front end was built using the React and the React Nest and Nest.js, the Tailwind. Now it fetches data from back end, and it displays charts, tables, and interactive filters, such like tabs such as the exchange flows, this table. You'll see it when I display it. Now these are the tabs here. This is the overview, as you can see, and this is the exchange flow, which has the drop down that explains what this section is all about. Tells us the exchange flows of the inflows and the outflows, and also the net flows. There's also a drop down for the all exchanges. This is all exchanges compared to all the wallets, and you come here to choose each of whichever wallet of your choice, and also here there's a drop down for the stable coins of your choice you want to compare with. Now there is also a section for the stable coin. The stable coin, also there's a drop down here that if you read through it, it tells you what this section is all about. And if you go down, this is for the USDC, which tells us the total inflow, the transaction, and the AVG size, and also the USDT. Now we also have the risk metrics. The risk metrics also there is a drop down here. It uses the HHI index and the Gini coefficient, and also there's a transparency score here that tells us the risk of the market. It gives us idea of the risk of the market. Now this section, which is the final section, the analytics section, is built using the machine learning, which gives us the predictive analysis, the rolling correlation, the event study, and the anomaly detection one can do. Now if you go through it also, you will see you'll be able to get a good grasp of the section. Now this has been actually a wonderful experience. I'll say that the Analytic Sages Python program was instrumental in this project. It helped me in building efficient backend logics, and it also assisted me in applying data analysis skills to extract meaningful metrics from noisy blockchain data. It's assisted me also in understanding how to deploy full stack systems, how to think in systems, data points, signal generation, and user insights. Because of that foundation, I was able to move from just an idea to building a functioning dashboard with confidence and speed. I would say a big shout out to Analytic Sage. Thank you for watching, and you can use the link below to check the application that has been deployed in Vercel. Thank you.